Oh, hi. It's a very quick live. Very quick live today. So quick. Super quick. Guest appearances by a barking Seven the dog. We're trying to get him used to being in the crate. Now he can't just bark to get out. Anyway, here's what's in DTNS today. I think. Whoa. Why is that not working? There we go. I need to assign the reads. Dear team, please read these. Okay. We have that. We have that. We have that. Ooh, we're going to do a lot on that. We don't need this. So I'm taking it out because there's no guest. We'll talk about the CNET stuff. Scott Johnson tomorrow. Okay. Look at that. We got it. Oh, we need a summary and we need the patrons. Amos is on that, though. I'm not worried about it. On this episode of DTNS, yes, Google has been deemed a monopoly. We'll explain why it won't be until 2029 or so that anything is done about it. Plus, Uber tries to beat Tesla in the autonomous driving game, and Google, monopoly or not, is giving Apple TV a run for its money. There you go. That's what's going to be on the show. Yes. That was easy. Wasn't anything much to do. Here's the decision. I've scanned over this. The general search engine has revolutionized how we live. Maybe I should do an audiobook version of Tech Opinions. Information that once took hours or days to acquire can now be found in an instant on the internet with the help of a general search engine. Powerful algorithms. General search engines make money by selling digital advertisements. Type the words running shoes into and sellers of running shoes. This actually isn't bad. This is a a very basic introductory text. This judge could have been a teacher, I think. Its parent company as a market cap has gone unchallenged. It hasn't achieved market dominance by happenstance. More advertisers mean more revenues. As queries on Google have grown, so too has the amount it earns in advertising dollars. Google is a monopolist, and it has acted as one to maintain its monopoly. It has violated Section 2 of the Sherman Act. The Sherman Act specifically holds that there are relevant product markets for general search services and general search text ads. Google has monopoly power in those markets. Google's distribution agreements are exclusive and have anti-competitive effects, and Google has not offered valid pre-competitive justifications for those agreements. Okay, so there are relevant product markets. That's just the basis for determining if there's an abuse of a monopoly. There has to have been a market to be abused. So there is a relevant market for search and search text ads. Google has monopoly power in both those markets. The distribution agreements it reached are exclusive and have anti-competitive effects, and Google has not offered valid pro-competitive justifications for those agreements. In other words, the distribution agreements are exclusive and have anti-competitive effects. Google has a chance to go, sure, there are anti-competitive effects, but there are also pro-competitive reasons why we do this. That, even if it reduces competition in some respects, it increases competition in other respects. And Google tried to make those arguments. The judge didn't find them convincing. Court also finds that Google has exercised its monopoly power by charging supra-competitive prices for general search text ads. And that has allowed Google to earn monopoly profits. So roughly what he's saying is, because it monopolizes search, it's able to charge more for ads because it doesn't have to worry about people going elsewhere to buy their ads because there's nowhere else to go. And then that money helps it maintain its monopoly. The court holds that there is a product market for search advertising, but that Google lacks monopoly power in that market. So that's a little confusing. General search text ads, it's a monopoly in, but search advertising, it is not. There is no product for general search advertising. Basically, I think he's just saying the court holds that there is a product market for search advertising, but Google doesn't have a monopoly. There is no product market for general search advertising. But there is a market for general search text ads. I still haven't quite got to the bottom of that one, but the way I understand it is there's a market for text ads, and Google dominates that. There is no product market for search advertising in particular. It's just advertising. Google is not I think that means that Google has a specific market that's not a general market. Anyway, Google is not liable for its actions involving its advertising platform, SA 360. The court also declines to sanction Google under federal rules for its failure to preserve its employees' chat messages. That was another, they were saying it was destruction of evidence. So I want to see if we can get to the bottom of this. General search text. 191. $165 to $191. Okay. It's a lot of reading. You with me? Search advertising is a market. Search advertising is the broadest proposed advertiser-side market. It includes all advertisements served in response to a query, whether entered into a search engine, an SVP, or social media platform. Okay, yeah. Okay, so search advertising in general includes things beyond Google search. That does not include display ads. What sets search ads apart is the unique level of real-time expressed intent. Search ads are generated in response to a user query, and it does not have a monopoly in that. Like, it doesn't sell the ads on Facebook. All right. This is a lot of This is a lot of, Google's defense is this. All right, I think I'm going to go. Whew. Boy, this thing jumps around a lot, doesn't it? General search. Market for general search advertising is alleged to be a submarket of search advertising that includes all ads that appear on a general search engine results page in response to which overall consists of text ads and product lists, but also includes local ads, travel ads. Well, the course found that regular is both a broader market, search advertising, and a narrow market, general search text ads. All the difference between a general search engine and a search V provider support a market solely comprised of search ads that appear on general search. Specifically, they claim general search advertising is a relevant market because all ads on a search engine results page reach users who are considering the broad range of choices. Because of a breadth compared to SVP, shopping. General search ads have a particular use that is distinct from search ads on SVPs. Okay. I think I know what SVP is, but let's... Specialized vertical providers. All right, so I think I get this now. Can I jump to page 165? I think I can explain this now. So search advertising is search advertising anywhere. On Facebook, on Temu, on blah, 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 blah. General search text advertising is text-based advertising in a search result where, I have an ad shows up in text search. And because Google dominates text search, it therefore dominates general search text advertising. General search advertising includes vertical providers like Amazon, for example, and Google does not have, there is not a market for that. There is a broader market for search advertising in general. There is not a middle market of general search advertising that doesn't include social media platforms and such. I think that's right. I'm going to check one more thing. This is the part that was really, for general search or text ads are displayed on a search engine provider in response to like search ads. They are distinguishable text ads. First text ad, the appearance of text ads are available to a far broader range of public. Yeah, okay. Both Google and Amazon recognize distinct product. Google has repeatedly acknowledged that text ads and shopping ads are different. Okay, yeah. There we go. So yeah, it's search, what we think of as search. Then there's like any kind of search, but there's not a middle ground in between. All right, I got to go do the prep call. So thanks everybody for hanging out. Good to be with you. Didn't do a lot of chatting today because it was short and I was going over that. But I think I now understand those different markets and I will be able to explain the rest of it on DTNS. So see you there in about an hour. Bye.